Hi, I'm Bean, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I style big t-shirts while still looking slim. Pretty much all my life, I've been really attracted to like menswear and really like oversized fitting things. However, I've always kind of struggled with making it look flattering. I know that it's really hard to do for a lot of people, especially with like different body types. I just wanted to show you guys how I, over the years, have come up with like little things, little tips and tricks that I think are much more stylish and that allow you to actually wear like oversized big clothing without having it be super unflattering. So tip number one is to actually wear as much black as possible. Now, it's no secret that black is known to make you look slimmer, and because of this, my entire closet is black, but also when I wear big t-shirts, I generally like to have them be black. But for you guys who like a little bit more color, I have on this neon highlighter oversized t-shirt that I've just paired with a few black items that make you look a lot slimmer. One of those is this little cropped leather jacket. I feel like this is perfect because you not only get your black in, but because of its cropped, it actually reminds everybody where your waist actually is, and it makes you look a lot longer and taller, as cropped objects tend to do. And then I've also added these black knee-high socks. Well, they're kind of like thigh-high socks, but knee-high socks would also work well. These also make your legs look really, really slender, and that's why a lot of girls sort of like gravitate towards them. And then of course I just have on these black chunky Dr. Martens with straps just to continue the sock all the way down to the toe. Another great way to achieve this effect is actually with bike shorts. And I know we're all sick of the bike shorts, but the reason why people wear them is actually because it does help your legs look really slim. And I think that it's a great way to throw on like an oversized blazer or oversized t-shirt and still have it look really flattering. So you can do this with or without the leather jacket, depending on the weather in your city. However, I do think that bike shorts really help. It's a great way to throw on a casual outfit. And then again, I just have on another pair of black shoes. These are super duper comfortable. I love these little runner moments. I wear them a lot with outfits like this. So tip number two is to belt it up. Now, I never really used to be much of like a belt over the shirt person, but now that I've tried it a few times, I think that it's actually a really successful way to help cinch in your waist, make you look a little bit more slim and fashionable when you're wearing oversized t-shirts. And I have, by the way, a lot of oversized t-shirts. Just put on this little belt that I got from ASOS. I actually really wish that I could return because it sucks, like you can't actually put it through belt loops, but for stuff like this, it's perfect. You just put it over your t-shirt like so, and then I paired it with some other things that I thought would go with it. So we have on our patent leather skinny jeans, again, which I think make my legs look A+, and the same Doc Martens as earlier. Now, another great thing that you can do if you're not one to wear belts, like I said that I kind of didn't used to be, is actually just take any type of button-up shirt or hoodie or anything that you think would look good. I know that I had a friend named Faith who for a while would do this with flannels and just like tie it around your waist and do something cute. It actually really helps cinch in your waist. It can add to the outfit. I personally chose this one because it matches the patent leather and I think it looks really great together. Cinching in your waist does help tremendously, especially from the side view. My third tip is for any of you out there who want to wear oversized shirts and oversized pants together as a set. So both of my other tips thus far have obviously depended on mixing and matching oversized with slimmer silhouettes. However, if you want to go full on out, like do a streetwear moment with big pants, big shirts, like I actually love to do, and this is where my biggest struggle was, this is the best tip that I personally have found. And that is to be completely over the top with everything. Overdo all of it. Wear chunky jewelry, most importantly, wear chunky shoes. Oh, Chris just got a really lovely B-roll of these dirty stickers on the bottom of my shoes, so I'm gonna take those off. I've only worn these like twice. But for video purposes, I wanted to show you guys pretty much the chunkiest shoe that I have to just really show you what it does for this silhouette. So with a slimmer shoe, what happens is your feet end up looking very small, and it's almost really unflattering to the upper half of your body. It makes your stomach look larger, your thighs look larger when your feet look super tiny, in contrast against a super oversized silhouette. But what happens when you actually wear a bigger shoe is it sort of helps balance out the proportion. It doesn't make your pants or shirt look way too crazy anymore because now suddenly your feet are also bigger. And it just really helps exaggerating everything. That way nothing is disproportionate or like unflattering looking. Fourth and final tip, and probably my favorite right now, is to cut the shirt up in a very like flattering way. So this is something that I actually used to do a lot in middle school, is I would just cut the entire neckline of the shirt to be like off the shoulder, stuff like that. I feel like you guys, if you were ever emo, probably remember people doing that. You would like cut the sides and like tie it and do like crazy DIY stuff, right? Nowadays that isn't really my aesthetic, but I did recently find this specific cut, which I think works great because it still looks cute, it still looks chic, it doesn't look too crazy DIY. As you guys know, no matter your body type, the slimmest part of your body is on your shoulders. Exposing shoulder always really helps to slim you down. So I think that that's why I specifically like this cut. It still gives your clavicle and neck a little bit of breathing room, which I found helps drastically when you're wearing oversized t-shirts. But I'm just wearing this with another pair of oversized pants, once again keeping the loose kind of silhouette going, and then my chunky white Doc Martens. So thank you guys so much for watching. That concludes all 4 of my tips to help you look slimmer while still wearing oversized t-shirts. These have been lifesavers for me over the years. I really hope that they help you out. It's just about trying new things, trying different proportions and ratios and finding what's right for you. However, I do still hope that what was right for me can still be helpful. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later.